Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Range Rover side mirror. First, you need to assess the damage to determine if it's just the glass or the entire housing. Gather your essential tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool and the correct replacement mirror glass. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the ignition is completely off before you begin any work. Now, let's carefully remove the damaged mirror glass. Using a plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the mirror. You'll feel it release from the clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical wires, like those for heating or power adjustment. Take a moment to inspect the mirror motor and the housing for any other damage that might need attention. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your new mirror. First, carefully reconnect any electrical wires to the back of the new mirror glass. Ensure these connections are secure. Next, align the new mirror glass with the mounting clips or points on the mirror housing. Apply firm but gentle pressure to the center of the glass until you hear it click securely into place. It should feel stable. Finally, let's perform some essential tests. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and use the interior controls to test the mirror's electronic adjustments, moving it up, down, left, and right. If your Range Rover has a heated mirror, verify that this function is working properly. Lastly, give your brand new mirror glass a quick clean with a soft cloth to ensure crystal clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.